I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just to alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly about it. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance to 180 on the freeway. Catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with a passport, just like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed. What my foes need, make some emojis for you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, let's tell me how you want it. Check it.
Another late night, another new face on my phone screen. Tryna act like this new life is awakened dreams. Got a list of names, yeah, a black book full of maybes. But every conversation just feels so damn hazy. Jumping from the club to the after party glow, putting on a smile, yeah, putting on a show. But the truth is I'm just running from a ghost, the one I took for granted, the one I missed the most, yeah. And now I'm scrolling through our old photographs, trying to remember how to make you laugh. Cause all these empty rooms and crowded bars can't fix the way you heal my deepest scars. And honestly, when the night is through, all I ever really want is you. All I ever want is you. Yeah, all I ever want is you. I hear your favorite song come on the radio, and for a second I forget I let you go. My pride was talking, I was acting so tough. Thought having freedom would be more than enough, but this freedom just feels like an empty space.